Hi! In front of me is Octal WP20 and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. When you're ready, click on Google section. Now tap on Autofill. Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Following that, tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Then click on Edit button right next to the delete one. Finally, you can change wherever you wish to. And when you finish, click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my username and password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!